Hey, welcome guys. So I'm Rick and this channel is called The Crypto Guide, and I'm just wanting to help guide people through this crazy crypto world. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not even a professional at this. I've been at it for almost 3.5 years now, so I've seen some things, and if you're new to this, well, let me hope I can help you. Maybe you've been at it for years, maybe I have some insight that might help you also. Okay, well, today I was going to talk about clickbait, and what is that? Well, that's when people make outlandish statements to try to attract you to click on their YouTube so they get more viewings. I'm a little frustrated with that. In fact, I haven't even posted anything just because I'm so frustrated with this. Guys, the market is volatile. And just because it drops, it doesn't mean it's crashing to the bottom. And just because it goes up, doesn't mean it's going to the moon all in 1 week. Okay? Take a deep breath. All right. Maybe I need to take a deep breath. Anyways, I'm a little frustrated with the market. Not the market, just the YouTubers. These are professionals that put out there, and sometimes they make crazy statements. All right, let me get back on track. Today's a very interesting day, so that's why I wanted to make a video today, is I wanted to talk a little bit about what's going on in the world right now, and especially in the world of Bitcoin stocks market. So if you haven't heard, ETF was exchange traded funds, so Bitcoin cannot be traded on any hedge funds, any stock market at all, not the S&P 500, not the NASDAQ, nowhere. It can't be traded. Why? Because it's not regulated. Because it's not regulated, it can't be exchanged. All right, so they're creating a thing called an exchange traded fund, and I've mentioned this before. They're going to allow companies to buy and trade a paper stock, okay, saying you own, or electronic stock saying you own this or you own that. You just won't physically literally have it in your crypto account. It'll be held by Coinbase for someone like BlackRock. So you might say, well, what is that all about? Well, if you're in crypto and you've got a platform, whether you're using crypto.com or Kraken or Binance or Coinbase, you have access to Bitcoin and of course other cryptos. But other people who don't want to do that hassle, and they're like, oh, there's a lot of stuff goes on there, I'm worried. So BlackRock's like, we're going to step up and we'll take care of you and we'll protect you. So this is happening, not just BlackRock, and not just to pick on them. It's something that's going about to try to create stability in the crypto exchange. And well, what does that mean? So Bitcoin, of course, is the number one, and Ethereum number two. There's ETFs been applied for both of them, and could happen as early as Christmas Day for Bitcoin, the 25th and 26th. That would be interesting, wouldn't it? Anyways, what does this mean? Well, they're saying that the Bitcoin is worth what, $828 billion right now, 852, somewhere around there. I'm just guesstimating. But what does that mean? Well, they're saying that even $30 trillion could move into the crypto market, and it's at what, 1.5 right now. So that could go up double, or up, what, 20 times? That's what they're saying. Okay, you have to ask yourself this question, and this is the question I asked myself today, and I went, okay, where are they going to get the money from? Okay, it's not like they're holding it in their bank account and like they're going to come out and buy something in a big hurry. Well, they have to get it from somewhere. And today, something happened that went, oh, wow. So I'm going to show you my screen. Here we go. Look at this. So this is today. This is Bitcoin, up and down, and it kind of flattens out. It's a little bit up and down here. So all you have to know is here is higher than here. Not much, maybe a little bit. But what does that mean? It went up a little bit. But what are these other two lines I have stuck on here? And they stop. Well, this is the S&P and NASDAQ. Now look at this. Bitcoin goes down, stocks go up. Where'd they get that money from? Bitcoin flattens out. Look, there's a little bit of a slope down. Bitcoin climbs up here, and so does the stock market. But watch this. Bitcoin drops, but look at this. Crash. So they're saying at this highest point right here and this lowest point right here is the highest and lowest in 52-week average on the S&P. So it looks like a little bump here to here for Bitcoin, and this is not comparative in value by any means. Like this is what, maybe $1,000 or $2,000 here. This is trillions. What? This is trillions. So everybody's saying, what happened? And I thought, wow, If Bitcoin's going to be released, where are they going to get their money from? Well, they have to pull it from a market. Well, I think they're pulling. So if Bitcoin is released on Christmas Day, I guess the day after Christmas, I'm not sure when the stock market opens up, they could buy back. They're going to need to have access to money. So I think what we're seeing here is preparation for the market. All right, let me come back to my screen. Crazy, right? Well, Bitcoin ETF, they're saying, can go up a lot. Where's the money? Well, that's simply what I'm saying. It has to come from somewhere. And everybody today, I watched, I think it was MSNBC News, and they're like, where it happened? They're like, well, we don't know. And then another one said, well, I think they're probably trying to just put some money aside for the end of the year. Yeah. What for? They don't put money in an account that gives you 1 or 2% or less than money. They put money into something that's going to go up. Well, you guys, I think 2024 is going to be a sweet ride for cryptocurrencies. If right now the market's around 1.5 trillion, and if we say 3 trillion pump in the market in the next while, and that stock market jump isn't going to pump everything up into it, but there's a chance that the crypto market could go up by to 30 trillion. Crazy numbers. Okay, where are they going to get the money from? So I I started watching stocks, specifically stocks of mining, Bitcoin mining. And I'm like, well, I know Bitcoin's going to go up, so I jumped into that. And last week, I jumped into one, and I took some options, and I made 500% in 8 days. Okay? Things are moving, and they're going to go, but they have to pull from somewhere. So you guys be careful. Enjoy your Christmas season. Take a deep breath. If things are going up and down, unless we have what is called a black swan, like a major war comes out and everybody's afraid and pulls their money out, something crazy like that in the next couple of weeks, guys, we're going to see 2024 is probably one of the greatest, strongest years in the crypto industry. So, you know, I'm not a financial advisor. Am I telling you to buy? No. I'm just saying, hey, there's some things I'm seeing. I'm a guide. That's all I am. Okay, guys, have a great Christmas weekend. New Year's won't be long, and maybe I'll make a couple more videos before then. Take care, guys. Blessings. Bye-bye.